Assalamualaikum. My name is Zuraini binti Jari Asmuni and I'm from F10D. So my student ID is 62030324192. So today I want to introducing about the annuity. Annuity is a financial product that provides the income stream a specific period and used for retirement planning. Secondly, annuity is an individual paying a lump sum or series of payment to an insurance company, which the return make regular payment back to the individual. This payment can be gained immediately or be deferred to a later date. This annuity come in different types. Is fixed annuity to offer guaranteed payment at a fixed interest rate and providing stable income regardless of market condition. Variable annuity payment depend on investment performance to adding potential growth, but also risk, and index annuity links payment to a stock market index with offering growth potential with some limitation on gain and loss. Some annuities pay out for the individual lifetime, while others pay for a predetermined period. Annuities are attractive for retirement planning because they grow tax deferred and can provide reliable long-term income. Furthermore, annuity can serve as a useful tool for individuals seeking financial security in retirement to offer flexibility to align with their specific need and risk tolerance. The two main payout is immediately and deferred to allow annuities to either receive income right away or let the investment grow tax deferred over time, the potential resulting in a higher future payment. Annuities offer various tax advantages such as earning within the account or no tax until withdrawal, which can be beneficial for those in higher tax bracket. Some annuities also include the option for guaranteed minimum income or death benefit and providing other financial installment. However, the annuity can come with fee, surrender charge, and income case in reduced liquidity. Is to be understanding the terms and choosing a provider in order to minimize their benefits. Company background: RHB Banking Group is multinational regional financial service provider committed to deliver complete solutions to its customers through differentiated segment offering an ecosystem that support simple, fast, and seamless customer experience underpinned by a cohesive and inspired workforce and relationship with stakeholders. However, ranked among the top bank in Malaysia and with a significant presence in the Asian, RHB has a strong market leadership in Malaysia across target product and segment. The group has a total of over 40,000 employees and it presents 7 countries within the Asian regions. Secondly, RHB Banking Group is fully integrated financial service group in Malaysia. The core business are structured around 5 business pillars comprising group community banking, group wholesale banking, group Sharia business, and group insurance. Furthermore, RHB offering interesting package including loan for all students, university, and RHB offer customer using service including investment, deposit, credit card, and more service in RHB Bank. RHB Islamic Bank Berhad is the first full-fledged Malaysian Islamic bank that has matured from an Islamic banking window operation. RHB Banking Group is the 4th largest banking group in the country in terms of asset and using on the operational capability, commitment, and synergies within the largest network of the RHB Banking Group, totaling more than 100 branch.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzat Ahmad binti Muhammad Syarul. I'm from F10D and my number ID is 620-503-24193. I will be explaining about the company program description. So, RHB Bank program for students loan is to provide comprehensive financial support for students achieving higher education. RHB programs often include flexible repayment terms, allowing students and graduates to choose a timeline that aligns with their financial situation for making it easier to manage monthly payments over time. Secondly, the bank also offers income-based repayment options, ability of each student's paying monthly payment amounts for adjust according to the borrower's income level to ensuring that graduates in entry level or lower income positions are overwhelmed by debt payments. However, RHB includes a grace period in some of its plans to allowing students a few months after graduation before repayment begins. Furthermore, RHB Bank also offers loan consolidation and enabling borrowers to combine multiple education loans into a single manageable payment. The student loan programs aim to support students not only during their education but also transition into their professional lives to offering an accessible way to finance their studies without creating an independent financial burden. RHB Bank shows its commitment to supporting the education journey of young people in Malaysia. Lastly, the students and graduates interested in these programs should consult directly with RHB Bank for the latest information on loan eligibility, terms and conditions to find a solution tailored to their needs. So the objective of the study is first to explore annuity application in real life. An annuity is a contract that is issued and distributed by an insurance company and bought by individuals. The insurance company pays out a fixed or variable income streams to the purchaser, beginning right away or at some time in the future in exchange for premium they have paid. It is different from a life insurance policy that only pays benefits when the insurer dies. Second, to apply annuity formula from the chosen one. To apply the annuity formula to a chosen problem, find the annuity type, gather known variables like payment amount, interest rate, and period. Select the right formula for present or future value, substitute the value and calculate to interpret the result within the context of the financial goal. Third, to calculate amortization schedule of the problem. To calculate the amortization schedule, find the loan amount, interest rate, term, and payment frequency. Calculate the monthly payment using the annuity formula. Then for each period, spread the payment into interest and principal portions and reduce the balance accordingly until it reaches zero. For the problem description, Is has taken out a loan student of RM 15,000 for her university education. The loan is to be repaid in monthly installment over 10 years, in brackets 120 months, at an annual interest rate of 6% compounded monthly. She is making fixed payments at the end of each month, and her first payment due is 1 month after the loan disbursement. During the course of the loan repayment period, is misses 6 payments in total and makes 2 additional early payments of RM 400 each. Find first the amount of the predicted payments, second the future value of annuity, third the interest earned, fourth miss few payments than scheduled, fifth payments done earlier than scheduled, sixth is create the amortization schedule, make it loan student question. For the data collected, loan amount is RM 15,000, rate is 6%, in bracket is 0.06, term 12M, in bracket 10 years, monthly interest rate is 6% minus 12 equal to 0.005, in bracket 0.5%, and for the monthly payment, we still don't know yet. For the missed payment is 6, early payment is RM 400, in bracket 2, for the first payment is 1 month after loan.
My name is Maisara Kairashura binti Samsudin and my ID number is 62050324138. Let's calculate the amount of the predict payment. The question is, what is the monthly payment is must take if she does not miss any payments and make the full payments term of 12 months. With the present values formula to calculate this question, which is A equal R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, power negative n, close bracket, divide by I. So let's identify each of the component of the formula. A equal 15,000 ringgit. R is the monthly payment. K equals 6% or 0.06. M equal 12. I equal K divided by M, which is 0.005. T is the time, which is 10 years. N equal M divided by T, which is 120 months. So we just need to plug in the values into the formula, which is 15,000 ringgit equal R, open bracket, 1 minus, open bracket, 1 plus 0.005, close bracket, power negative 120 divided by 0.005. And then we need to simplify the equation, which is 151,000 ringgit equal R multiplied by 90.10. So the monthly payment is 166 ringgit 50 cents. Second, let's calculate the future value of annuity. The question is, what would be the future value of the loan after it has completed all its monthly payments, assuming no missed payment and no early payments? The formula that we need to use is S equal R, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, O by N, minus 1, close bracket, divided by I. So let's plug in all the number into the formula, and it will be S equal 116 ringgit 50 cents divided by, open bracket, 1 plus 0.005, close bracket, O by 120 minus 1, close bracket, divided by 0.005. And let's simplify the equation. So it will be S equal 160 ringgit 50 cents divided by 163.879368. And the future value of annuity will be 27,285 ringgit 10 cents. Let's calculate the interest earned. Total interest earned is the difference between the total amount paid and the original loan amount. To calculate this, we need to multiply the monthly payment, 166 ringgit 50 cents, by the total number of payments, 120 months. This gives a total payment of 19,980 ringgit. And after that, we need to use the formula I equal S minus R. And we just need to plug in the number into the formula, and it will be I equal 27,280 ringgit 85 ringgit 10 cents minus 19,980 ringgit, and the interest earned will be 7,305 ringgit 10 cents. Let's calculate the missed payment. If is missed 5 payments during the loan term, how does this affect her loan balance? What will be the outstanding balance on the loan after the 6 missed payments are accounted for? Note, assume that missed payment will result in accrued interest, and the payments will be added back to the loan balance after the missed months. Each month, the loan balance accrues interest at the rate of 0.5% on the outstanding balance. If each makes its payment, the duration will not reduce the loan balance by 166 ringgit 50 cents each month, so the interest will be higher than planned. First, let's calculate the total missed payment. It is equal 166 ringgit 50 cents multiplied by 6 months, and the total missed payment is 1,999 ringgit. And the second step is calculate the interest accrual on the loan balance during the missed month. Each month, the loan accrues interest. Total interest accrued over 6 months is 455 ringgit 66 cents. And the third step is updating the loan balance after 6 missed months. The loan balance includes original loan balance 15,000 plus accrued interest 455 ringgit 66 cents plus missed payment 999 ringgit, and the total will be 16,454 ringgit 66 cents. The fourth step is to calculate the new monthly payment to repay the loan. So the formula we use is A equal R, open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket powered by negative N divided by I. After that, we need to solve for R, and the total missed payments will be 182 ringgit 65 cents. Fifth, let's calculate the payment done earlier. Each decide to make 2 early payments of 400 ringgit each in addition to her regular monthly payment. How does this early payment after her loan balance and overall repayment period? Assume that each early payment is applied directly to the principal and reduce the outstanding loan balance. First, we need to find the new balance, and it is 15,000 minus 800, and the new balance would be 141,200 ringgit. And the second is we need to find the monthly payment for the remaining term, and the formula we use is R equal A multiply I divided by 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket followed by negative M. And let's plug in the number into the formula, and it will be R equal 14,200 ringgit multiplied by 0.005 divided by 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.005 and minus 120 ringgit. And we just need to simplify the equation, and the payment done earlier would be R equal 14,200 ringgit multiplied by 0.111, and payment done earlier would be 157 ringgit 62 cents.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhan Atrash bin Hamidi. ID number 620-503-24040. This is our table amortization schedule. For investment, 15,000, interest rate 0.06, and compound monthly 12 and years 10. The conclusion, the RHB student loan annuity plan offer a structured and convenient repayment system to support students in managing their educational expenses effectively. Utilizing fixed periodic repayment over a defined term, this plan ensures affordability, the predictability, allowing students to focus on their study and career development without undue financial stress for students seeking financial assistance while maintaining long-term financial stability. Means RSCP have a repayment system that students can pay monthly for the loan.